This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Hamp Wilson. Open House SAT. 7 nights 11 to 4. Come see this beautiful mountain view home. Sip your morning coffee on the covered deck and enjoy the amazing view. This gracious home features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths and an office, could be 4th bedroom, on the main level. A spacious bright kitchen and breakfast room, separate dining room and a living room with large windows that capture the view complete the main floor. There is an oversized office/den, bedroom, bath and storage room on the lower level. Agent C remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Hamp Wilson at 501-209-6486.